maybe a couple of centimetres, or a bit more than that is likely up on the Pennines, the Derbyshire Peaks, the southern uplands, for example. Similar sort of weather you can see for tomorrow. I mean, Western Scotland and Western Isles will do quite well for sunshine. I think it won't be quite as good in Northern Ireland tomorrow, but West Wales might do quite well as well. But you'll be looking inland at a bit of white on the ground. Now, this is 9 o'clock in the morning. Don't expect it to improve greatly. In fact, you might even notice from those figures in the white arrows that the wind strength is actually on the increase. That's going to be the telling story, I suspect, of the next 2 or 3 days. It takes us right up to halfway through the weekend. So Friday, no great shakes, 5 or 6 plus wind chill. It's been trying to show itself, and it's these lighter brown patches in East Anglia, in the South Midlands and the southern counties of England. And despite this cold east wind, temperatures are a degree up on yesterday, and the sun, of course, being a March sun, makes some difference to how it actually feels. That is, when you see it. You might also notice virtually no blue or white. There's not much falling out of this sky. A few showers in Northern Ireland, particularly up in the mountains, but that's virtually it, and it's now looking a much drier picture. So the principal things are the strength of the wind and will you see the sunshine. Well, it gets cold tonight, and holes in the sky mean there'll be a frost. Not a particularly hard one, probably at its harshest in the Highlands of Scotland, but maybe one of the two other places will drop down below freezing. For most of us, it's going to be marginal again. Good word, that, at the moment. So you start tomorrow with a greater chance of sunshine, much lesser chance of seeing anything falling out of the sky, so nothing on the ground to freeze, for example. It's even above freezing in Scotland around about 9 o'clock in the morning, but the wind is still blowing, so it's still going to feel cold if you are out in it. Now, this is the start of Saturday, when you're putting your boots on and thinking about training for maybe the afternoon match. Well, note the wind, 17 miles an hour, probably twice that, blowing over the coast of southern England. So without the sunshine, it is still going to feel cold on Saturday. But we can add a degree. It's the sun that helps with that. A degree on today, so that takes us up to around about the 6 or 7 mark, more or less wherever you are. Not everywhere will feel quite balmy, though, even in that. On Sunday, a return maybe of more cloud. Principal reason is the wind directions change from a cold easterly to a cold northerly, where it prevails for next week.